Hello everyone. I'm going to do a little meal prepping today, and I thought I'd share with you what I'm making today that I haven't made probably for you. This is nothing new to the world. It's a macaroni salad, but I'm going to high priority is going to be on protein. So, already in this great big bowl is a can of chunk light tuna. I didn't use my safe catch albacore because I actually like chunk light for macaroni salad. To that, I'm going to add 2 hard-boiled eggs. I already peeled them and boiled them so that I can speed up the process. Now you might think this is weird, but I'm going to use my pastry cutter and cut everything up with it. It just works pretty simply if you've never thought of it. I just find it chops my eggs. I also have the Rata chopper. So you could add or subtract whatever you want into your mac salad. There really is no recipes. It's kind of boring. Some people hate tuna fish, so don't put the tuna. Some people don't like eggs, so don't put the eggs. Some people might think this is completely gross. I am making this for 1 human, maybe 2 if Tommy stops over, because River won't eat it. My daughter, Braylon would eat it. Willis wouldn't eat it because he doesn't like things with celery in it. Anyway, I am making this for me, and that's why I didn't make a lot. I made 1 can of tuna, 2 eggs, and to that, I'm still chopping here, guys. We're gonna chop some more goodness in it for my liking. Again, macaroni salads, I will have a lot of people come on when I make things and say, oh, try this, try that, and it's great to have those bantering and ideas. I love it. But there is no end to how many kinds of macaroni salads you can make. Literally, when my kids were little, I used to put chunks of ham and cheese and little chopped tomatoes and some even shredded lettuce. I know that sounds weird, but it would be like and some bacon bits, and it would be a BLT or a ham and cheese. I've done pretty much any kind of mac salads that a lot of people, including my dad, only like plain. So I chopped everything pretty small, a couple big, you know me with egg whites, they gotta be little. Now, for my pasta of choice, I took 2 cups of Barilla whole grain. I had that left. I actually measured it out. 2 cups of rotini. So it's gonna be more like the pasta salad noodle, and I boiled them up to the way I like them, not mushy. I hate mushy noodles. So it's going to be like the pasta salad noodle, and it's going to have tuna and eggs in it, and there's 5 grams of protein per serving for this pasta, so it's high protein. I don't buy regular pasta for myself anymore. I buy whole grain or the protein pasta or the single origin from Italy pastas. I'm really picky about my pasta for a lot of reasons. The junk ones, I shouldn't call them junk. The American ones, or the generic American Great Value, or even Muller's or whatever, there's a lot of preservatives and there's things, my body doesn't like them anymore, so I don't buy them. I buy regular angel hair and thin spaghetti and elbow macaroni because that's what Dave likes. And for me, I buy whole grain, or like I said, the single origin Italian pastas. I really like them. They work well for me. I like the chickpea pastas, the lentil pastas. I'm going to show you a weird thing. So I've washed my celery before I put it back in my bag. And when I cut my celery up, I just take my hand and start right here. And I just keep going until my nub is all the way gone. So I'm trying to determine how much celery I would like in this mac salad, which is quite a bit. And the reason I like it is the fiber. No calories and fiber. Well, there's probably some calories, but not much. So for 2 cups of pasta, and I'm going to measure everything for you. I'm going to say this is a cup of celery. We're going to find out right now. This way, when I give this recipe on Facebook or wherever, yep, it's a cup of celery. You know, judge from your eyes. I do a good job judging from my eyes. I don't know. I guess it's from the cooking for a million years. I'm going to chop this up smaller for myself. So we have tuna, eggs, celery. What I didn't get out was my spices. Now, I'm not going to put a piece of onion in this because sometimes when I this salad will last me all week. And the onion sometimes gets more powerful as the week goes on. So I'm gonna put onion powder, seasoned salt, and pepper are gonna be my seasonings. That's it. That's all I'm putting in this. But there's still more stuff, obviously. Obviously, Lori's always never done. So this is something I couldn't have eaten in the beginning of my bariatric journey. And even now, this won't be a side dish for me. It will be a main dish, believe it or not, because the pasta will fill me up. So in there goes my celery. Again, you put what you like in your salad. I guess I'm gonna measure out mayonnaise, I don't know. I guess I have to, because otherwise, I don't know how to tell you how to write the rest. I've never measured. This is really hard. So, here's another weird thing I like in my mac salad with tuna. Peas, frozen peas. You put them in, they thaw out, and they just give it more protein, more vegetables, and a lot of flavor. So, and again, I gotta do it with a measuring thing, don't I? How about we do a half a cup? I'm trying to be good for you. I'll see if a half a cup looks like enough when I move all this stuff out of the way. So this is a half a cup measure. I want to know if it's enough for me. I like my veggies, okay? I just took them out of the freezer. Peas are on the floor now too. Can't make this stuff up, guys. I went to a salad bar many years ago that had peas in their tuna fish mac salad, and I was hooked. Some people hate peas, so you know what I say? Don't put them in. Put what you like. Now let me stir this up and see if there's enough. So when you bite into the ones with the peas, I want more peas. I want a cup of peas. I already know. So when you bite into the peas, you get this burst of sweetness that's just great. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm gonna put that one back. Trying to get all the stragglers. Let's try a cup. So I don't want to hear anybody on there tell me, I hate this, I hate that. I know. Dave wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole. I haven't even done anything to it yet. Okay, peas. 1 cup of peas. I like 1 cup. It looks good to me after I break up the frozen little suckers. Peas. Strange. I'm strange. Okay. Seasonings. Onion. Seasoned salt. Wow. Onion powder. Seasoned salt. And I don't want that side. I don't want to dump it all over. Measure with your heart. A little more seasoned salt. Then onion powder. So this will give me my onion vibe without overpowering the whole salad. Here's my salt. Measure with your heart. I don't like a lot of salt. And I should have had this out. Pepper. I do like pepper. Okay, now we're gonna mix this up and we're gonna add, I like sweet pickle relish. I have no idea how much I normally would put in, so I'm gonna start with a 1/4 cup and see how it looks to me. Because I like it in my macaroni salad. That's a 1/4 cup, it's going in. So now I'm gonna mix. Really boring. Oh, Nick can't even see it. I would love it in the comments if you guys would tell me what you put in yours. I love ideas. So this is gonna have high protein because it has tuna and it has egg salad and it has peas and it's a whole grain pasta, and a 1/4 cup is enough. So I can close that up. Just threw a spoon in the garbage. I will get it out. So if you guys remember last year I did pork chops and dropped this $50 knife in there. That's not happening. All right, mayonnaise we're gonna measure. And then the salad is gonna be like what done. So don't look back there, that's my cabinet. I was supposed to have my spices out. We're gonna start with a 1/2 cup. And yes, I like Hellmann's. I do, that's just where I'm at. Would I eat others? Absolutely, I'm not that picky, but my favorite all time, I've tried Duke's, I've tried Kraft, I've tried Hellmann's, I've tried Miracle Whip. My favorite has been Hellmann's. You go with, I think you go to gravitate to what you liked as a child and stick with it. So this is look at how much 2 cups of pasta makes. I don't even know if I can eat all this. I will drop some to my son because he will like it. Like this would take me a lot of meals. So one serving of that pasta, half a cup of mayonnaise is all I'm doing. So I can already tell. So 2 cups of pasta needed a half a cup of mayo. What did I do? A cup of peas? I already forgot. See, I'm going to go back and watch my video to write the recipe. 2 eggs, can of tuna, 1/4 cup of relish. Yay or nay? Mac salad with eggs, tuna, high protein pasta, sweet peas, pickle relish. I'll put it in a smaller dish and I'll notch on it all week long. There you have it. That's today's episode of This Crazy Woman. Thank you for being with me. For all you bariatric people, this might not be something that you can have right away. And it's not bad for you. I made sure that every ingredient in there is stuff I like and is high protein. So you can have it. There's no bad food. Have what you want as long as it comes from the earth. I'm going to wrap up my celery and I'm going to move on to the next dish that I'm going to make. I think I'm going to do Greek garlic chicken thighs with baby potatoes. And I'm going to put them in cast iron in the oven. Sound good? Love you guys. Share my videos if you can. More people are coming on board every week. Have a great day.